the shoreline, with silence in my ears. No waves crashing, just the pool of unseen years. The sand was strange, like time changed its hand, and purple light was breathing through the land. I found a crystal shaped like a skull,